Alright, so I have a project that is supposed to be done on the 4th. It is the 1st. You guys know how deadlines work. That means I finally get to dig around in the bucket of assorted metal scraps. Alright, so I also need something that can spin, and I was like, what do I have in my desk drawers? Whatever. This should spin very well. There's a bearing in there, and there's already mounting points I can 3D print mounts to. Alright, so sometime in middle school, I used to come hang out in this forest. There are probably some old videos about it. Wow, this trail's covered up. But me and one of my buddies stole a bunch of scrap metal and hid it back here. And I've been coming to fetch it for years. But it has been probably 3 years since I've been back here, so I need to see if I remember where it is. Here's some leftover duct tape. That's definitely me. This is where the camp used to be. That's the fire pit. That's my flag. There's a rug over there. And this, if I can get these spider webs off me, is what is left of the fortress. So basically nothing, but you know. And there she is in the ravine entrance. My scrap metal. One of these days, when I move out, I'm coming back and I'm taking all this with me. There's a cave under that rock, by the way, like a little bat cave. Alright, so the 3D printer is refusing to work, so we are going to do this the old-fashioned, trashy way. Yeah, that's about perfect, isn't it? So, my dad and my grandpa were hanging out here, just watching me do what I do, you know, almost hurt myself. And my dad was like, you know, if the Roman candles are only held from one point, they're probably gonna spin sideways on you or something. So, he's right. We put these on so we can attach them on 2 points to keep them from going sideways. That way, if they shoot back, they're only gonna hit me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Freedom Dispenser 4000, or as I like to call it, the finger remover. Alright. This is broken.
Oh, this is terrible, actually.
It's not lighting! Camera, get your lighter over here. Oh god.
That shit is not spinning.
This is, yeah, no, it's broken.
Hold it up. Because the little one gonna go straight into the floor.
I think my lighter's out.
Your lighter give up?
Yeah. Like the last two.
That one didn't light either.
Yeah, I can't get that last one. I got burnt.
Oh. Alright, let me turn to that was way too close. That was supposed to go way further up.
So more or less the camera just stopped working after that. We have no idea why. The rest of the shots went off. So I'm gonna intersperse the onboard camera and a couple of extra photos that were shot. There's no more video. We're done here. Like, comment, subscribe down below to join the storm, and I will see you in the next video. Cyclone Slayer over and out. I need to pad my runtime.
Oh!